In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to round corners in Photoshop 2026, step by step. If you want to give your photos a softer, more modern look with smooth, rounded edges, this is the easiest and cleanest way to do it. This method is completely non-destructive, which means you can adjust things later without damaging your image. Make sure to watch until the end, so you don't miss an important setting that makes this work perfectly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop 2026 and load the image you want to work with. This method works best when your photo is on its own layer. If your image is locked as a background layer, simply double-click the layer in the Layers panel and press OK to unlock it. Now we're going to create the rounded corners using a shape. Go over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and select the Rounded Rectangle tool. You can press the letter U on your keyboard as a shortcut. If you don't see it immediately, click and hold on the Rectangle tool to reveal the flyout menu, then choose Rounded Rectangle tool. Before you draw the shape, look up at the top options bar. You'll see a setting called Radius. This controls how curved the corners will be. Enter the radius value you want. For subtle rounded corners, try something like 20 or 30 pixels. For more dramatic curves, increase the number to 50, 80, or even higher depending on your image size. You can experiment here because we can always adjust it later. Make sure the tool is set to Shape mode in the top left dropdown. This is important. Now click and drag over your image to draw the rounded rectangle shape. Try to match it to the size of your photo. Don't worry about getting it absolutely perfect right away. Once you release your mouse, you'll see a new shape layer appear in the Layers panel. Right now, the shape is probably sitting above your image layer. We need to change the order. In the Layers panel, click and drag the shape layer so that it sits directly below your photo layer. The image layer should now be on top, and the rounded rectangle shape should be underneath it. Next, click once on your image layer to make sure it's selected. Then right-click on the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask from the menu. As soon as you click that, you'll see your image snap into the rounded rectangle shape. The corners of your photo are now perfectly rounded. What's happening here is that Photoshop is using the shape layer underneath as a mask, and the image is being clipped to that shape. The best part about this method is that it's fully editable. If you want to adjust the roundness, simply click on the rounded rectangle shape layer, then go to the Properties panel where you can increase or decrease the corner radius at any time. Your image will instantly update. You can also move the image inside the shape. Just select the image layer, grab the Move tool by pressing V, and reposition it as needed. This gives you full control over the composition without losing quality. If you'd like to export your image with transparent rounded corners, make sure to hide any background layers and export as a PNG file. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. Select PNG and ensure transparency is enabled. And that's it. That's how you round corners in Photoshop 2026, quickly and professionally using a clipping mask and the Rounded Rectangle tool. It's clean, flexible, and completely non-destructive. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Photoshop guides. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.